In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Slack. Whether you're managing multiple accounts or have a new email that you'd like to use, updating your email in Slack is straightforward. Let's walk through this process together so you can get it done smoothly and efficiently. First, we'll start by opening the Slack desktop app or navigating to Slack on your favorite web browser. Once you're there, log into the specific workspace where you'd like to update your email. Make sure you're accessing the correct workspace as these settings are specific to each one. Next, we head to your account settings. Look toward the top right corner of your screen and find your profile picture. Click on it and a menu will drop down. Here you'll want to look for an option like Profile and Account or View Profile. Click on that, and once the profile window is open, find and click on More, which is represented by 3 dots. From the additional options that pop up, select Account Settings. This step will redirect you to your account settings page, which opens up in your web browser. Now that you're on the account settings page, scroll down until you find the email address section. Here, depending on the version of Slack you are using, you might see a button labeled Expand or Change Email. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Moving forward, it's time to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new email address that you wish to associate with your Slack account. To ensure your security, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity. Do this by entering your current Slack password. It's crucial to double check your new email address and password for accuracy before moving on to the next step. Once you've submitted your new email and password, Slack will immediately send a confirmation email to the new address you provided. Now head over to your email inbox and look for this confirmation email from Slack. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so give it a little time if you don't see it immediately. Open the email and click on the confirm email link inside. This action verifies your new email address and updates it on your Slack account. Finally, once the verification process completes, the update is all set. Your Slack account will now use your new email address. From here onwards, you'll sign in with your new email, but use the existing password to access Slack. That's it. You've successfully updated your email in Slack. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in updating your email address effortlessly.